In this video, I'll show you how to delete unused apps on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description if you want to check it out. Do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So head over to your Google TV. If you're at the dashboard, just head over to quick settings and follow me to all settings. Now you're going to navigate down to the bottom where you can find apps. So click on apps, then you want to click on see all apps. So after clicking on see all apps, you're going to scroll down and you'll find a full list of the apps. So in this case, these are current apps. These may be apps you have just used. If you go down to the bottom of the screen, you find system apps as well. But this is not the focus. The focus is on this option that says unused apps. So click on unused apps and you give you a list of the apps that you are not using. In my case, you see, I'm a very efficient user of my device. So I'm definitely only downloading the apps that I'm using. And when I have the apps downloaded, I'm actually suffering to and using those apps. But here, if you have apps you have not used for a really long time, averagely, if an app is unused for a month, you find them listed here. Just click on them, click on uninstall, and get rid of those apps. That will save space on this device and make it run more smoothly and more effectively. So do that. Let me know if it works good for you and if it improves your device. If you found that useful, smash the subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video with content like this.